Hey guys, so in this video I would like to explain you a little bit how you can create a route on Rouvy. So as you can already know if you watched previous video where I showed you how you can import GPX file into Rouvy. So this is one method how you can do that. Now the second method which Rouvy offers is pretty interesting. So this one is here that you can see film, upload and write your own Rouvy routes. So basically what you need to do is download the app. So download this route creator, and yeah, what you need is your phone GoPro camera with GPS, and then you will fix the camera somewhere, and yeah, just record in Rouvy says that you can record in 4K at 60 FPS with linear plus horizon lock. And then you drive smoothly at an average speed of 40 kilometers per hour, uh, keeping at least 80 meters distance from cars ahead. So they are kinda saying that the best way is film by uh, car or motorbike or something. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the